looking or coming off as unnatural or fake, you can miss me with that. So hi everybody, this is Chastity Elise. I am back for another video, and what I am doing today, I'm actually going to do a review on these eyelashes. So typically I don't wear eyelashes. I've only worn them maybe once in my life, which was like 3 years ago or something like that. That was my first time wearing them, and it was like regular, like you had to put the glue on, wait for it to dry a little bit, and then put the eyelash on. These, however, are supposedly magnetic eyelashes. You put the eyeliner on and then the eyelashes automatically just stick to the eyeliner. Now, I had scissors because I don't know if these eyelashes are gonna fit my eyelid exactly. So I had scissors to cut them. I wasted money because now I can't find the scissors. So, you know, I'm just gonna wing it without the scissors for right now. I just honestly wanna see if this works. So pretty much this video is gonna be like a first impression type thing. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so my understanding is, let's see. So it says for application, allow 20 to 60 seconds to fully dry. Touch to make sure it doesn't transfer before the next step. Oh man. It says I'm gonna have to cut them to fit my eye width. But I ordered scissors specifically for this, because my thing is I have scissors, but being that I've been using those scissors to cut boxes and everything else, I personally don't want to use them. So I might just have to wait on these, unfortunately. But this is what they look like, the eyelashes. So they're like kind of wispy. Like, I wanted them to look more natural. A lot of people, I feel like they put on eyelashes and they look like lamb chop. But yeah, it's like a bit much, and I don't want to look like that. And so that's part of the reason why I don't wear eyelashes, because I don't want to be walking around with fake eyelashes on and then I'm looking like lamb chop, or I'm looking like this dude off of, I think he was on TikTok, and he did the video to the high fashion or whatever, and he has like sticky notes for his eyelashes. I don't want to look like that. So in order to avoid looking like a stereotype or being a stereotype or anything like that, or just looking or coming off as unnatural or fake, you can miss me with that. So I don't wear them. But I mean, if I can wear the eyelashes and they look natural, like I think that these look relatively natural, then I'm fine with that. I'll be back when I have scissors to actually do this. But I'm excited to try it because I just want to see if it works. Okay, so it just straight up just looks like regular eyeliner. What? It sticks, y'all. Look at that. It really works. If you don't follow instructions and you put it on before the 20 to 60 seconds of drying, it makes a big mess. But the good thing about messes is, well, at least with your makeup anyway, you always have an opportunity to clean it up. So there we go. It's super easy though. It's super easy. I could have gotten this right the first time, the very first time that I put these on, but I had to botch it because I didn't want to let stuff dry. Once you're done using them, just clean the magnets with a Q-tip dipped with makeup remover. So when I get ready to take these off, I'll show you all where the what the magnets look like. But they're super tiny. If you're looking for this option, something that's super easy, if you're like a person that's never really put on eyelashes before, or you've only, like, you have very minimal experience of putting on eyelashes, or you struggle putting on your eyelashes, then I feel like this is like something perfect that you could use. I mean, that was super easy for me. And like I said, I've only put on eyelashes like once in my life, so I don't really have a lot of experience with it. As you all saw, I did struggle slightly to put these on, but it takes little to no time. So later, thank you all for watching. All right, I had to go ahead and take them off. I put them on about, might have been like 9 o'clock this morning, so I've had them on for a good part of the day. It's almost like 3:30ish now. Might be a little after 3:30 now actually, but anyway, it lasted for several hours. All right, so I'm gonna show what this looks like. The little square shapes, those are the mag. I strongly recommend using Glamnetic if you want like some easy lashes to put on, if you don't want to deal with the lash glue and then, you know, all the extra putting this side up, making sure it sticks, putting that side up, making it stick. Just put the Glamnetic, that magnetic liner on, and then slap on them eyelashes, because it literally took me no time to do it. That was my second time ever putting on lashes, and it was super easy. Super easy. So I would strongly recommend Glamnetic. That is my opinion, and that is my review of them. If you have tried Glamnetic and you liked it and or didn't like it, just leave a response in the comments below and let me know. All right, later y'all. I'll see you all for the next video. Thank you all for watching again.